1. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street. Price: $50,000. Located: Oxford, North Carolina. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street truck is a powerful and well-built custom machine that blends classic pickup styling with serious performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a strong small block Chevy engine configured as a 377 cubic inch setup, originally based on a 400 block and stroked for high revving performance. The engine features a performance camshaft and hydraulic lifters, delivering a responsive and aggressive driving experience, while recent maintenance, such as new spark plugs, ensures it remains in excellent running condition. The drivetrain is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, offering reliable shifting and durability for both street and performance use. Power is transferred through a ladder bar rear suspension system combined with QA1 coilover shocks, providing excellent traction and stability. The truck is equipped with four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, ensuring strong and consistent stopping power to match its performance capabilities. Visually, the truck stands out with 15 by 15 billet wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson tires that still have solid tread, giving it a true pro street stance. Included in the sale are valuable additional parts such as a Pro Charger system, brand new billet wheels with Hoosier tires, and a Currie Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears. This package represents significant value and performance potential for serious buyers. 2. Custom 1983 Chevrolet S10 Pro Street. Price: $19,500. Located: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This custom 1983 Chevrolet S10 Pro Street is a unique project truck built with performance in mind and ready for the final stages of completion. Designed as a show truck with serious street potential, it is powered by a strong 383 cubic inch stroker engine that delivers impressive torque and horsepower. The engine is paired with a built turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing reliable and consistent performance suitable for both cruising and aggressive driving. The rear end has been narrowed and reinforced with a 12-bolt setup, making it capable of handling increased power while maintaining stability. This configuration gives the truck the classic pro street stance, allowing for wider rear tires and improved traction. The chassis and drivetrain components already in place provide a solid foundation for a high-performance build. Although the truck is not fully finished, it only requires interior and glass installation to be completed, making it an excellent opportunity for someone looking to finish a custom build to their own taste. The exterior and mechanical setup are already well underway, saving significant time and cost. With its strong engine, upgraded drivetrain, and show truck potential, this S10 offers a great balance between project flexibility and performance capability for enthusiasts. 3. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Race Pro Street. Price: $35,000. Located: Elwood City, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is a serious drag racing machine built for extreme performance while still retaining street capability. At its core is a massive 555 cubic inch big block Chevy engine producing approximately 950 horsepower, running on race fuel for maximum output. The engine features high-end components including a Dart block, Dart heads, and a Holley Dominator carburetor, ensuring exceptional airflow and power delivery. The drivetrain is equally impressive, featuring a Powerglide transmission with a reed case and trans brake, designed for consistent launches and durability under high stress. Power is delivered to a Ford 9-inch modular rear end with aggressive 4.56 gears, supported by a ladder bar suspension system and double adjustable coilovers for optimal traction and stability. This Camaro is built with safety and performance in mind, featuring a full roll cage certified to 8.50 seconds by NHRA standards. Additional race-ready features include wheelie bars, a parachute, anti-roll bar, and a lightweight setup weighing approximately 2,850 pounds. Despite its race focus, the car retains street functionality with working lights and signals, and it carries a valid VIN, making it a rare street-legal race car. 4. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Price: $32,500. Located: Zanesville, Ohio. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro is a powerful pro street build that combines classic muscle car appeal with aggressive performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a strong 468 cubic inch big block engine equipped with Holley aluminum heads, delivering substantial horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 transmission featuring a trans brake, providing firm and precise shifts ideal for high-performance driving. The chassis has been upgraded with a Mustang 2 front suspension setup, improving handling and steering response. In the rear, a 4-link suspension system works together with an Alumafab Ford 9-inch rear and fitted with 4.88 gears, ensuring excellent traction and durability under heavy acceleration. The car is also equipped with Wilwood disc brakes on all 4 corners, offering strong stopping power to match its performance. Safety and performance are further enhanced by an 8.50 certified roll cage, making it suitable for serious track use. The car rides on RC Comp wheels and features a clean, aggressive stance. While the exact performance numbers are not verified, it has been reported to run impressive times in the 8th mile. With a clear title and turnkey condition, this Camaro is ready to be driven or raced immediately. 5. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Price: $24,000. Located: Houstontown, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner is a solid classic muscle car with strong potential for both street driving and drag racing applications. Known for its iconic styling and performance heritage, this example has been set up with a focus on power and versatility. Under the hood sits a 440 cubic inch engine, delivering the kind of torque and acceleration that made the Roadrunner a legend in the muscle car era. Paired with a TCI Street Fighter automatic transmission and a 3,500 stall converter, the drivetrain is built to provide strong launches and smooth power delivery. The car is currently configured for drag racing, but can easily be converted into a full pro street build depending on the buyer's vision. Included with the vehicle is a set of new rear street wheels fitted with Mickey Thompson Sportsman tires, offering improved traction and a more aggressive stance. This flexibility makes it appealing for both racers and collectors who want a customizable platform. With a clean Pennsylvania title in the seller's name and no major issues reported, the car is ready for its next owner. Whether used as a weekend cruiser or further developed into a high-performance street machine, this Roadrunner offers great value and classic American muscle appeal. 6. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price: $36,000. Located: Northeast Maryland. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a dedicated race car build designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Powered by an all-aluminum 421 cubic inch engine equipped with a dry sump system, this Camaro delivers high horsepower while maintaining reliability under extreme conditions. The engine setup is engineered for maximum efficiency and performance, making it ideal for competitive racing environments. The drivetrain includes a Powerglide transmission, known for its strength and consistency in drag racing applications. The car is built on a mild steel tube chassis, significantly enhancing rigidity and reducing weight for improved performance. A Ford 9-inch rear end further supports the drivetrain, ensuring durability under high-power loads. This Camaro has received numerous new components, including updated brakes, front struts, and wheels, making it a strong foundation for a race-ready vehicle. While it has not been run on the track since its recent assembly, it is capable of producing close to 800 horsepower. It is important to note that this vehicle does not come with a title and is intended strictly for racing use. With some final attention and tuning, it can become a highly competitive track machine. 7. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Coupe 2D. Price: $36,000. Located: Youngstown, Ohio. This 1967 Ford Mustang GT Coupe is a stunning pro street build that combines classic muscle car heritage with serious performance upgrades. Finished in a sleek black-on-black color scheme, this car delivers both visual appeal and aggressive capability. Under the hood sits a 351 Windsor engine stroked to 393 cubic inches, built with high-quality internal components and aluminum heads. The engine is paired with a 750 Holley carburetor and MSD ignition system, producing approximately 500 horsepower on pump gas, with the added option of a 125 shot of nitrous that has never been used. The drivetrain includes a professionally built C6 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.56 gears, ensuring strong acceleration and durability. A ladder bar suspension setup and wide rear tires provide excellent traction, while a 6-point roll cage adds safety and structural rigidity. With less than 10,000 miles since the rebuild and long-term ownership history, this Mustang has been well cared for and primarily used for car shows rather than racing. It offers the perfect balance between show quality and street performance. 8. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro Anniversary Edition. Price: $11,500. Located: Isabon, West Virginia. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro 25th Anniversary Edition is a well-maintained performance car that blends classic styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a 355 cubic inch small block Chevy engine with tuned port injection, this Camaro delivers strong and reliable performance. The engine has less than 5,000 miles since rebuild, making it a fresh and capable setup for street driving. The drivetrain includes a 700R4 automatic transmission paired with 3.73 rear gears, offering a good balance between acceleration and highway cruising. The car features a 3-inch exhaust system with a cutout, allowing for a more aggressive sound when desired. This Camaro was completely restored approximately 11 years ago and has been kept in good condition since. Although it has not been licensed since 2019, it remains a solid platform for someone looking to get back into a classic performance car with minimal effort. With its anniversary status, upgraded drivetrain, and overall condition, this vehicle offers a great entry point into the world of classic American muscle cars at an affordable price. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street. Price: $49,900. Located: York, Pennsylvania. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street is a high-performance street and strip machine built with precision and attention to detail. Featuring a true SS platform, this car has been extensively upgraded with a freshly built 498 cubic inch Dart Big M big block engine designed to run on E85 fuel. The engine delivers exceptional power and is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 3200 stall converter, ensuring strong and consistent performance. The rear end has been upgraded to a narrow Dana setup with 4.10 gears, providing durability and traction under heavy acceleration. The chassis includes an 8.50 certified roll cage while still retaining a full interior, offering both safety and comfort. This Chevelle has a documented history as a magazine-featured Pro Street build and has recently been refreshed with new paint and mechanical updates. Its aggressive stance, clean underside, and powerful drivetrain make it a standout vehicle. With a clean title and turnkey condition, this Chevelle is ready for both car shows and high-performance driving. 10. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price: $28,000. Located: Delta, Pennsylvania. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle is a fully built drag-oriented machine that also retains street-legal capability, making it a versatile choice for both track use and weekend cruising. Under the hood, it features a strong 350 iron block bottom end paired with 6.0-liter LS aluminum heads, creating a reliable and powerful hybrid setup. The engine is further enhanced by a twin-turbo system, delivering significant horsepower and impressive acceleration when under boost. The drivetrain includes a manual valve body automatic transmission with a lockout shifter, providing firm and controlled gear changes. The car is equipped with a full tubbed rear setup, allowing for massive 18.5-inch wide rear tires that maximize traction. A full roll cage, racing seats, and harnesses ensure safety, while the vehicle remains compliant with many NHRA safety requirements. Additional features include a fuel cell, parachute, and fiberglass hood, fenders, and trunk components, helping reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity. Despite its race-ready setup, the car retains functional lights and turn signals, making it street legal with a clear title. This Chevelle is an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, turbocharged classic that performs both on the street and at the track. 11. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Pro Street. Price, $47,500. Located, Westminster, Maryland. This 1973 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Pro Street is a serious high-performance build that combines classic styling with modern power and engineering. At its core is a professionally built 496 cubic inch big block Chevy engine equipped with a Littlefield 670 supercharger and dual 850 Demon carburetors. This setup produces massive power while still being configured to run on pump gas, making it both practical and extremely potent. The drivetrain features a built turbo 400 transmission with a reverse manual valve body, paired with a 4,500 stall converter for aggressive launches. Power is delivered through a Dana rear end with 4.10 gears and supported by a ladder bar suspension system with QA1 shocks on all four corners, ensuring excellent traction and stability. The car includes a 6-point roll cage, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, and a fully functional interior retaining original elements such as bucket seats and dash. Additional features include aftermarket gauges, power steering, power brakes, and a complete exhaust system. With a clean title, strong build quality, and impressive performance, this Camaro is ready for both show and street use.